As men grow older, many changes take place in our bodies. One significant change is in the level of a crucial hormone known as testosterone. TRT, also known as testosterone replacement therapy, can help address this and boost men's health, particularly for those over 50 years old. TRT has powerful effects on fitness, vitality, and mental health, making it a game changer for many men. Testosterone is like a Superman hormone for men. It helps make muscles and bones strong, helps men grow hair and have deep voices. It also keeps the romance department in top shape. But as men get older, like over 50 years old, their body makes less testosterone. This can make men feel tired, muscles can become weaker, and some men might even feel a bit sad. That's why TRT, which is short for testosterone replacement therapy, can be a big help. It's like a superhero, swooping in to make everything better. Think of TRT as a superpower boost for men over 50. It's like a science experiment, but a really cool and helpful one. When the body isn't making enough of the Superman hormone, testosterone, TRT steps in to save the day. This special treatment, which can come as a skin gel, a shot, or a patch, adds more testosterone to the body. Doctors say TRT is good for men who don't have enough testosterone. The treatment helps men feel stronger, have more energy, and feel happier. It's like a magic potion that helps men over 50 feel like they're in their prime again. Imagine TRT as a super muscle builder for men over 50. It's like a secret weapon that helps keep muscles strong and fit. So guys over 50 can still show off their muscles at the gym. Sounds pretty cool, right? That's what TRT does. It makes sure men can keep being strong and active. TRT keeps muscles strong and powerful, making it easier to stay fit and healthy. So with TRT, Grandpa can not only play with his grandkids, but also flex his muscles. Do you know that feeling when you can't wait to go outside and play because you have so much energy? Well, TRT can help men over 50 feel that way again. It's like getting a supercharge of energy to run, play, and even work. It's just like how a car runs better when it has a full tank of gas. So with TRT, older guys can keep up with their grandkids on the playground, play sports with their buddies, or even just enjoy a long walk in the park. And the best part is, all this energy helps them to enjoy all the fun things in life even more. Just like TRT helps muscles, it also gives a boost to the brain. For men over 50, it can help lift spirits and sharpen thinking. You know how you feel all excited and happy when you're about to go play your favorite game? TRT can help older guys feel that way again. Plus, it can make it easier to solve puzzles, remember things, and think of new ideas. So with TRT, not only can Grandpa show off his strong muscles, but he can also be the wisest and happiest person in the room. Like all superpowers, TRT must be used in the right way. It's super important to chat with a doctor before starting TRT. They can check if it's safe for you and keep an eye on how you're doing while you're using it. And hey, let's not forget, while TRT can do lots of great things, it's also key to munch on healthy food, do some cool exercises, and to stay fit and strong. With TRT, life for men over 50 can be a cool adventure. It's like they have a secret key that helps them stay lively and playful. TRT can turn back the clock, making guys feel youthful and bouncy again. If you're a man over 50, or if you know someone who is, maybe you should check out TRT. It might be just the thing you need to feel your best. So why not see what TRT can do? It might just be the secret to living a life that's healthier, happier, and a whole lot more fun.